Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today is going to be a super simple Grace tutorial, okay? This tutorial will not cover any like super in-depth stuff, it will just be a very basics guide. I just checked YouTube for guides on this game, and they're all in Spanish for some reason. So if you guys want a simple English guide, here is a simple guide. Starting off, yeah, this game is really loud. I don't know why this game is so loud. If you press the tilde key on your keyboard, it'll open up this menu settings. And volume. This doesn't actually change the sound in the game. No matter what happens, it will still be really loud. So I'd recommend just setting it low, because at least in the lobby, you can't turn the audio down. Now, you're going to want to first turn your FOV addition all the way up. Just some basic things to do. Turn that up. Speedrun timer, you can just turn that on, because why not? Menu on top bar, why not have an extra menu? Then for sprint toggle, crouch, none of this stuff matters. I would recommend sprint toggle to be on, although you don't need it on. It's simply to preference. And now, here's how to actually play the game. Okay, I'm just going to close the menu by pressing tilde. And so, to go and play this game, you're simply going to want to go to an elevator. This is very similar to doors. And then, once you're in an elevator, you're going to fall down. And this is where the game actually starts, okay? So, you have two things on the bottom of your screen. You have the flashlight, just like this. Wherever you point, it will show you stuff. Then you also have the lantern. I'd recommend lantern. As you can see, lights up a little bit, lights up a lot of it. So you should just use the lantern. Then from here, you're gonna want to basically always be sprinting. And whenever you say a hole in the wall, you want to go and slide through it, just like that. For levers, you just simply run into them. Now I'm just gonna go and simply walk through the game, explain what I'm doing. So for this, you simply have to walk through all the doors. If the door has this little symbol on it, that means you have to slide into it. Oh, paper. As you can see, it says slide through it, just like that. Then from here, you can simply run. You do have to press E on doors to open them. Oh, more levers. Oh, sorry, my mouse is tweaking out. Okay, here we go. Simply run through all the doors. Touch. For levers. Okay, now, when you see this pink tentacles, it means you have to run forwards and find a place to hide, like this. That is all that means, okay? So when your screen flashes and these pink tentacles come, simply wait for it to pass by. This is similar to those, for example, Russian doors. And then, from here, when you see this hatch, open it and hop down. These are the checkpoints, and as you can see on the bottom right, it's a safe room. So then you just keep on going. There's no stamina in this game, and things will either one or two shut you as far as I'm aware. More levers. Run through this. I'll just keep going for a little bit. So I see this means I need to go and run until I can find a place to hide. So right here I found a little place to hide in. So you can just stay in here. Wait till it's passed. Keep on running. I might just keep on running a little bit more. As far as I'm aware, there's not an end to this game. Me and my friend got to level about, I think it was 300, and we did not find an end. So, for all you need to know is that there really is no end to this game. Okay, oh, again, this is, by the way, the most common monster. You'll find them a lot. Hide in here. Your lantern never goes out, by the way. You can just always have it on. Okay, and second safe room. Some levers. I'll just go and play a little bit more. We will find probably a few more monsters, most likely in this. Oh yeah, so here's the eye. When you see the eye, just don't look at it. Simply look away, then you won't get hurt. If it does hit you, then there will be little things flashing on your screen, and you will be one shot now. Hey, look what we found. We found the purple guy again. Simply hide in here, wait for it to pass by. Now bear with me, because I will hopefully get to all the monsters, although it is very RNG on whether you find them. Hey, and I think I saw a blue guy right here. Yep, blue guy. So simply don't look at it. Okay, another eye. Oh, and a pink at the same time. But we can just hop down here. By the way, when you hop down here and there's pink, you want to stay here. Because this pink eye is going to go through that door, and it can get you killed. So you want to go and wait for it to pass by. More levers. Just go and do these real quick. You notice that after... Oh, wait, white. So when there's white, just simply hug a wall. And that's because this guy's going to come tunneling by. That guy's a one-shot. He's really easy to evade, unless you have like 5 monsters at the same time, which is possible. Okay, an eye, so stay to the side and don't look at it. Keep on going. So when you see this guy, you need to get behind a wall really fast. Okay, right there. Here's a quick tip. Whenever you see the red eye, what you have to go and do is you have to go and look at it. Sorry, I have terrible reaction time. When you see that big red eye just like that, you have to go and stare at it. Then we have this guy. Simply go behind a wall and he will disappear. A few levers. And you'll notice that now that I've been hit for about half health, my entire screen is kind of messed up. This is going to happen literally the entire game. It kind of sucks. Look away from it. Oh, I got two monsters at the same time. I'll just let him pass by. Just like that. But yeah, now this effect is going to be on my screen for a while. Not sure exactly how long, but I've never had it go away unless you die. Okay, this is just the timed one. Just gotta go fast. Hey, little hidey hole. Sucker. Okay, so all I do is keep running. There's an eye, just look away. Oh darn, black guy. Okay, so as you can see, the situation I was just in is pretty bad, and I kind of got comboed. So as you can see, this game here isn't that hard, but if you get more than one monster in the same spot, it is extremely easy to die. And that's basically this entire game. Once again, if you see the smiley face, that means you have to crouch and stop moving. If you see the if your entire screen goes red and you hear like a rumbling sound, that just means that you have to go and get under something. And thank you for watching. I hope that this video has helped you guys out. I have not played this game for that long, so there may be other monsters I haven't seen yet. But hope you all have a really nice day. Please subscribe if this helped you out.